Welcome to my 8 Toby Belch Drive. It's a beautifully presented and spacious 3-bedroom terrace property set in Leamington Spa. Let's take a look inside. Into the entrance hallway. You have Carndean flooring throughout the ground floor. It's really durable and long guarantee on that as well. It's a nice wood effect. You've got a door here through to the garage, internal access as well, which is really helpful. It's got electricity in there, which is good. So lighting. And through to the inner hallway, so large storage cupboard here. Let's carry on. So on the ground floor you have a utility room and also bedroom 3. So servicing bedroom 3 you have a shower room. So mains fed shower, again nicely presented throughout. In utility room you have wall and base units, plumbing and space, a washing machine and space for an under-counter towel dryer, and also door leading out to the rear garden there, which we'll have a look at the end. So bedroom 3, it's a good size, either a really good size single, or you could actually get a double bed in here as well if you wished, but currently used as an office. So let's go to the first floor. Starting the kitchen diner, so it's a recently fitted kitchen, again beautifully presented, very well finished, and you have a dining area here, comfy to seat 4 adults, if not potentially 6 with a slightly larger table, and really lovely kitchen, so really modern and well presented, well done. The tiling has just been finished. You have integrated appliances, a fridge freezer, gas hob with extractor over, electric oven and dishwasher. It's very modern with the copper effect handles as well. Also having a wine cooler or drinks fridge here as well, which is a nice feature. Excuse me, through to the living room. It's actually a really good sized room, very generous proportions. Space here for currently a 2-piece suite, so a large 3-seater sofa, also 2-seater, but you could fit more if you wanted to. 2 windows to the front elevation as well, so lots of natural light coming in. Also an alcove over here for storage or a little reading area or something, but again it's nice space. Up to the top floor. Let's have a look in bedroom 2 first of all. So it's a really good sized double. Again here, lots of space at the back here, so extra storage. If you wish, we have actually got built-in wardrobes here, and also a further cupboard. Is actually an airing cupboard at the back here, but again it's more storage there. And you have both bedrooms with an ensuite as well, each. So ensuite shower room here, again pretty recently finished as far as I'm aware, but very nicely done. Again, mains fed shower. That's up through to bedroom 1. So really good size. This is a extremely large bed. I think it's a Super King here, so it just highlights how much space you actually have. And again, having the double built-in wardrobe at the back here, which is really useful. Then the ensuite bathroom. So you've got a bath in here, obviously. Vanity unit, including a toilet and a sink. And you have a shower over, mains fed shower with dual shower heads, including a rainfall style water shower as well. And that's that internally, so have a look outside the rear garden. So access through the utility at the back. Again, landscaped, really nicely done. So a large paved area and patio area at the front of the property here, or towards the house anyway. Raised beds, nice lawn. And again, this is currently got strawberries in there, but it could have vegetables or flowers if you want really. But again, it's a really lovely touch. It's a further bed, another raised bed here, and then down to a really lovely decked seating area. It's a really attractive garden. Again, you know, it's the trend throughout, really nicely done. Well looked after and well presented. There we are, folks. Call Peter Clarke Leamington Spa to arrange a viewing.